Before we get into the video, guys, I just want to let you know to please stick to the very end. I am going to be doing a special giveaway announcement, and you guys don't have to purchase anything or spend $1. But anyways, let's get back to the video. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see from the thumbnail, today I'm going to show you how you can go from having this key fob to this key fob. And as we know, Ford over the years has been adding all types of new tech to the latest Mustangs. And you know, one of my favorites, it is the remote start. Of course, it comes with the S550, the newer Mustangs. Some of them, of course, don't come with it. But you know, not only that, the remote itself looks pretty cool. You know, I think compared to this one, Ford knocked it out of the ballpark. Now, this is the key fob that I purchased on Amazon right here for about 30 bucks. And as you guys can see, the Pony logo right there did not come with it. I did buy it separately, but as you guys can see, the buttons right there, the lock button, unlock, the trunk, and the panic button as well, that works. And I am going to provide a link down below for both of them in case you guys want to check it out for yourselves. So there are many mixed reviews on this key fob. You know, some people had it working, other people had a lot of trouble with it, and the people who did get it working mentioned simply getting the key cut to a specific vehicle. It also mentioned that the key fob can be programmed to the car where the buttons can work, and this can be done by using the previous method of the key fob, or in case you guys have never programmed the 3-valve stock key fob on your car, all you have to do is turn the ignition on and off 8 times, and after the 8th time, you're gonna hear the doors unlock. And once you hear the click after the 8th time, you're gonna want to press the lock button on the new fob, and it's that easy to program this to the car to get the buttons working. You know, if you're like me, I had absolutely no clue if it was going to work, but I'm going to tell you guys the 2 steps that I took to get this key fob working on my 3-valve. Okay, so first I got the buttons working by using the previous method of turning the ignition on and off, and once I did that, I got the buttons working on it. So the second step is to take the key fob to the locksmith. Now here's why I say a locksmith. I did see a couple of people in the reviews take the key fob to a hardware store where they can get the key cut specifically to their vehicle. The problem is that not only does the key have to be cut to your car, but it also has to be programmed to your car. And what do I mean by programmed, since I got the buttons working already? Now, what I mean by program is that every stock key has a chip inside. You need to have a chip inside here and able to start your car, and I had no clue about that. And I doubt a hardware store you know, is gonna be able to open up your key fob and insert the chip inside there. So that's why I recommend taking it to a locksmith, to a place where they dedicate themselves to do one thing. So the total that I spent to get the key cut and programmed was 70 bucks. You know, that's not too bad. I'm just very happy that I got the key fob working on the car. It's super handy. I love the way it looks. I'm just very satisfied with the product, and I'm probably gonna be getting a second one just in case this one ever goes out or something like that. Knock on wood, of course. But yeah, I'm gonna put it down below in case you guys want to check it out. And I really hope this video was useful for you guys. I really don't like making videos about me rambling a lot. In this case, I kind of had to, you know, in order to tell you guys what I did to get this working on my car. I know that this was something that I always wanted to do to my car, but I had so many questions and concerns on how it worked. So I decided to take one for the team and, you know, just purchased it and share with you guys how to get this working on your 3-valve. And if this video was useful, please guys give it a thumbs up, show me some love. And if you guys have any sort of questions, let me know down in the comments below. And I did promise giveaway, so here's the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away the 2010 RAXIO style headlights that fit all 05 to 09 Mustangs GT or V6. Now, I purchased these headlights for over $200 on American Muscle 2 years back. I absolutely love the way these look. They just complement the car, and you know, compared to stock, you just can't go wrong with these. The halos just complement, especially if you have the halo fogs. And also I got the side marker LEDs, and you know guys, to be honest with you, I was just gonna sell these off to anybody, but what fun would that be? So I want to give you guys the chance to win these awesome 2010 style RAXIO headlights. The condition on them are, they're not that used. I've had them for about 2 years. Normal wear, everything works perfectly fine. And if you guys want to enter, you guys have to pay absolutely no money, $0. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and make sure that you comment down below
You know, that way I know that you guys watched the video. But in case you guys want to get entered, those are the requirements. So the giveaway will be over on June 26th. I believe it's a Saturday. I will be doing a raffle for you guys, and I will be shipping these out to you guys free of no charge. And in case you guys want these really bad, I decided to make it a little fun. I decided that every $4 that you guys send me, that gets you 5 times entries. So what does that mean? That means that gets you entered 5 times, plus the 1 entry that you already got by subscribing and commenting down below. Once again, I'm only doing this in case you guys really want these bad, and that gives you guys the opportunity to get a couple of entries in, and I think that's all fair. And if you guys don't want to spend anything at all, that's completely fair too. And guys, make sure that your Cash App name is the same as your YouTube name. Make sure please that you send me your name information, that it's the same for your YouTube one, so that I can get your entries in before the 26th of next month. So this is something that I kind of wanted to do since I upgraded on headlights. I'm going to be doing a video on that shortly. And you know, I just have these headlights laying around, and you know, I kind of wanted to do something fun, you know, to make the channel grow. Also, you know, hook some of you guys up with these awesome headlights. I hope you guys noticed, you know, some of my first videos weren't the greatest content, and I apologize for that. But I just started this channel to kind of help some of you guys out, as well as, you know, just show you guys the journey of my build and, you know, where I've gotten so far. I got a couple of other stuff that I want to do to the car. And guys, the raffle does end next month on the 26th, so please make sure to be entered by the 24th, because that is when it ends. And on the 26th, I am going to be announcing a winner. I am going to ship these to you for free, no charge. Good luck to you guys. That is going to be it for today's video. I just want to thank you so much for watching till the end. Till then, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.